Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to remove and install a new bathroom exhaust fan. Right now, in a bath or a shower, there's so much steam. It fills the bathroom, the mirrors get foggy, and the air stays thick with moisture. In fact, sometimes the steam even triggers the fire extinguisher since it's right next to the bathroom and really sensitive to heat. That's why we need to replace this old fan. We need a new, efficient exhaust fan so the steam can escape, the air stays clear, and we avoid any safety issues. So let's walk through the steps. First, we're going to pull down the white cover. Once you pull it down, you'll see two small springs. Now, using your two fingers, press those springs together. Bring them inward so they release. Once the first spring is pressed, carefully pull that side down and then do the same on the other side. Once both springs are pressed, the cover will come completely off. After that, you'll have a clear view of the fan unit, and we can move on to removing the old fan and installing the new one. So once the cover is off, you'll see the electrical plug that connects the fan to the power supply. Carefully unplug it. And then you'll notice there is one screw that holds the fan in place. Using your screwdriver, remove that screw slowly and carefully, making sure it doesn't drop. After that, you can gently tilt the fan to the side and pull it out of the bracket. Once you've done that, the old fan is fully removed, and we can proceed to the next step. So the next step is deciding how you want to handle the replacement. If you'd like, you can just replace the motor by itself, and that usually costs between $25 and $30 on Amazon. But since our fan is really old, I couldn't find just the motor anywhere. So I ended up buying a complete new unit with the bracket from Rona. That one cost about $70. It's definitely more expensive, but it was really the only solution since I couldn't find a suitable replacement part elsewhere. After taking the fan out of the box, you'll notice it looks different from the old one. It's a newer design. Before you fully install it though, it's really important to plug it in first and test it. Make sure everything is working properly, but be very careful not to place your hand where the fan blades will spin. You can see that black area. That's the part where the fan rotates. Once you confirm it's spinning correctly and everything is safe, then you can unplug it again and proceed with mounting it in place. That way you avoid having to uninstall it later if something is wrong. So once you've confirmed the fan is working, the next step is to clean the area thoroughly. Over time, the fan doesn't just remove moisture, it also pulls in a lot of dust. After you finish cleaning the area, you'll see those two side bracket gaps. They're small notches where the fan will fit. Carefully align the fan's bracket so it slides right into those gaps. Once it's seated, gently push the fan upward until it's fully locked in place. After that, take the screw and put it back in, making sure it's really tight. You want it to be secure because if it's loose, the fan will vibrate, make noise, or even get damaged. So once it's tight, then you can plug it back in, and everything should be good to go. So after you've secured the fan, you always want to take that extra step and turn it on to test it before you put the cover back on. Even though everything should be working fine, I like to double check just to be sure. Once you confirm that the fan is spinning smoothly and everything sounds right, then you can go ahead and put the cover back on. So now it's time to put the cover back on. It's pretty straightforward. Just press one spring and fit it into the hole, and then do the same on the other side. Once both sides are in, you push the cover up and you'll feel it click and hold firmly. After that, you can turn the fan on and check that it's pulling air properly. Thanks so much for watching, and we really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, like, and share. This kind of project can save you a lot of money, so we're really happy you're here, and we'll see you next time.